The distinctive wail of an Alfa Romeo 5.6 engine has always been more than just mechanical noise. It's a symphony, a signature evoking pure automotive passion. For decades, the Busso 5.6 served as the very heart and soul of the marque. How did this power plant become such a revered icon, fostering cult-like devotion globally? What forces ultimately conspired to silence its magnificent song? Alfa Romeo, in the wake of World War II, forged its identity on exquisite design, sporting prowess, and advanced engineering. By the early 1970s, however, the company faced a critical need to modernize its powertrains while preserving its distinct character. Within this evolving context, engineer Giuseppe Busso, already a legend within the firm, was tasked with developing a new V6. The brief remained ambitious: create a compact, powerful, and charismatic engine suitable for both rear-wheel drive and the brand's upcoming front-wheel drive platforms, like the crucial Alfa 6 sedan. Engineering philosophy of the era was shifting. V6 engines were gaining traction as a balanced solution, offering more cylinders than a four-cylinder for smoothness, yet more compact than a V8, providing a potent blend of performance and packaging efficiency. Busso's team delivered a mechanical marvel. The unit adopted a 60-degree V angle, a configuration inherently balanced for remarkably smooth operation. Crafted entirely from alloy, the block was notably lightweight, vital for handling and efficiency. Its true distinction, however, lay in the meticulous engineering. The characteristic intake manifold, with its 6 gleaming chrome runners, was more than visual. It was precisely tuned to sculpt airflow, contributing to that legendary sonorous exhaust note. Later iterations introduced variable valve timing, further refining power delivery and enhancing fuel economy. Designed with an over-square bore and stroke, this V6 eagerly climbed through its RPMs, its robust bottom end ensuring durability even under spirited driving. While its initial appearance in the Alfa 6 was understated, it truly captivated audiences in the GTV6, solidifying its reputation for thrilling performance and acoustic artistry. Adaptability across models, from the iconic 75/Milano to the later 164, cemented the Busso V6 as the heart of Alfa Romeo's sporting identity throughout the 1980s and 90s. As the 1990s unfolded, the automotive landscape underwent a profound transformation. Escalating global demands for cleaner exhaust and improved fuel efficiency reshaped engineering priorities across the board. Concurrently, the industry began a concerted move towards modular engine architectures, driven by the desire for unprecedented cost-effectiveness through shared components and highly streamlined manufacturing processes. Fiat's acquisition of Alfa Romeo in 1986 introduced a new corporate mandate for rationalization, viewing the brand through a lens of efficiency. The era of the bespoke, almost artisanal engine, however rich in character and heritage, found itself increasingly at odds with the imperative for economies of scale. The Busso V6, with its intricate sand casting methods, its numerous elements requiring careful hand finishing, and the specialized tooling needed for its precise assembly, represented a significant production expense. Its very individuality, the source of its inimitable charm and thrilling performance, became a considerable financial liability in a market increasingly prioritizing lean production over unique, handcrafted distinction. Discussions within the halls of Alfa Romeo and its parent company, Fiat, turned the trajectory of the Busso engine into a significant flashpoint. The fundamental debate centered on how the brand could preserve its distinctive, passionate character and unique driving experience without ultimately yielding to the stark economic realities of mass production. Meanwhile, rival manufacturers were rapidly adopting alternative approaches. Several opted for simpler, more compact turbocharged four-cylinder power plants, or engineered more conventional V6 architectures that were inherently less expensive to produce and easier to adapt for evolving emissions regulations. Dedicated enthusiasts, the very lifeblood of Alfa Romeo's identity, observed these developments with a blend of apprehension and reluctant acceptance. Although they understood the inevitable march of technological and economic progress, the potential discontinuation of the Busso was widely perceived as a profound blow to the marque's spirit, threatening a tangible, irreplaceable piece of its storied heritage. Despite mounting pressures, the Busso V6 experienced a magnificent final chapter. Its ultimate, most potent iteration, the 3.2-liter, found a revered home in the 156 GTA, the GT Coupe, and the 147 GTA models. These vehicles pushed the engine's performance to its absolute zenith, delivering a truly visceral and unforgettable driving experience. However, the rapidly approaching Euro 4 emission standards presented an insurmountable hurdle. Re-engineering the Busso to meet these stringent new regulations would have demanded fundamental alterations to its core design, inevitably sacrificing its distinctive character and driving manufacturing costs to prohibitive levels. It was a race against time that simply could not be won. A pivotal shift occurred at this juncture. The difficult decision was made to phase out the Busso. Alfa Romeo subsequently transitioned to a new generation of V6 engines, largely derived from GM platforms, such as the JTS V6. While undeniably competent from an engineering standpoint, these newer power plants regrettably lacked the unique mechanical charisma and the operatic, soulful sound that had so profoundly defined the Busso, leaving a considerable void for many purists and enthusiasts alike. Even following its departure from production, the Busso V6 continues to command an almost fanatical following, a testament to its singular appeal. Its unparalleled operatic sound, the mesmerizing aesthetic of those polished intake runners, and the raw, analog driving experience it provides are now more cherished than ever. In an automotive landscape increasingly dominated by electrification and digital detachment, this engine stands as a poignant reminder of a different era. The Busso's influence extends far beyond mere nostalgia. It serves as a powerful testament to a time when an engine's character, its very soul, was considered as vital as its peak horsepower figures. It implicitly influenced subsequent designs to prioritize the emotional connection between machine and driver. Ultimately, this engine defines a specific golden period in Alfa Romeo's history, an era where engineering artistry took precedence, a time before the brand became more deeply integrated into the global automotive ecosystem. It represents a high point of unique mechanical identity, a benchmark against which many still measure the spirit of an automobile. Ultimately, the saga of the Busso V6, its genesis as an ambitious engineering project, its ascent to a beloved icon, and its principled, inevitable departure, reflects a larger, compelling narrative within the automotive industry itself. Such a journey, meticulously charted through decades of development and refinement, underscores a fundamental truth: the delicate, often precarious equilibrium between safeguarding the distinctive character that imbues a brand with its very soul and the imperative to adapt to the unyielding advance of technology, coupled with increasingly stringent regulatory frameworks. A clash of engineering philosophy with evolving global demands defined this era. Although the Busso may no longer power new vehicles rolling off the assembly line, its resonant song persists, echoing through the canyons of automotive history. It stands as a potent affirmation that certain legends are forged not merely by their physical presence, but by the profound, indelible mark they impress upon the driving experience and the collective imagination, long before their final, magnificent cessation.